Congratulations on your investment in the Carico Wholehouse water treatment and filtering system. This video is for demonstration purposes only. Do not attempt to install the system without the services of a licensed certified plumber. Each installation is different and unique. However, a licensed certified plumber should be able to easily install the system in about an hour. Once again, we thank you for your interest and hope you enjoy your Carico Wholehouse water treatment and filtering system.
Hello, today we're here to demonstrate the use of the Carico Ultratech Wholehouse water filtration systems. There are two systems. First, there's the SS750 tank for larger homes or businesses that is the capability of purifying, filtering the water for 750,000 gallons. The other tank we have is an SS500. This tank is recommended in condominiums or smaller homes, and it has the capability of doing 500,000 gallons of water. Today, we're going to be doing an installation of the SS500 Ultratech water filtration system. We recommend that this installation is done only by a licensed professional plumber. For the warranty to be valid, we do recommend a licensed professional plumber to do this install. When you receive your tank, you're going to receive what you see here, the tank inside of a box. It has this cap on top of it, which will be removed upon installation. You'll receive two 3-foot pieces of PEX tubing and two 2-foot pieces of PEX tubing. Also, after you've determined what size your main water line is coming into the house, you will get an installation kit. This here is the standard basic installation kit, which comes complete for an easy assembly and hookup. The other kit is brass fittings. These are both quick connect fittings, which are simple and easy with no welding and no glue to apply. The other piece that's going to come with your new tank is the valve or the backwash head. Inside the box comes with an instruction booklet. It comes with a white screen that will fasten to the bottom of the valve. It comes with two inlet valves, 1/2 inch and 3/4, and it comes with the backwash head itself. On the backwash head, this is the incoming line, which is black, and the red line would be the outgoing back into the home or business. Today we're going to install the SS500 Wholehouse water tank. We have already predetermined that the incoming line is 3/4 inch tubing. So we've taken the 3/4 inch inlet valves, removed them from the package, and now we're going to install them into the head. It's very simple. They push right in, then there's a locking clip that goes on top. Now the valve's locked in. We do the same thing on the other side. And now you have both of your inlet into the filter and back out to the home installed. This will be turned around and the screen or cone is placed into the back and pushed into the locking position. This is what it would look like prior to being installed. Remember, this should only be done by a licensed installer or plumber. There's a cap on top of each tank. This is to keep all of the filtration parts inside. This head simply slides on the tube, and then the threads are screwed in as I'm doing here. Once again, For the warranty to be valid, this must be done by a licensed plumber. You'll fasten it as so. We've located the incoming water line here. I've pre-cut this line, which I will show you again how this is done. When you do find the incoming line, you'll take your pipe cutter. You'll come down here and you'll cut approximately a 3 to 4 inch piece of the incoming line. Here and here. You then take a piece of light sandpaper and sand the edge. Remember, our quick connect fittings, there's no need for any solder or any glue. Now, we've pre-assembled the new backwash head. We're going to turn the tank towards the lines. I've also pre-assembled the tubing, which I will go through with you. The first line you're going to start with will be the incoming line. The first thing you should do before you cut the pipe is you'll go out to the front and the water will be cut off that leads into the home. Once again, a licensed plumber will be aware of this and will know what to do. Our quick connect fittings are very simple. You'll find the incoming line first. You take the fitting, and it's easy as pushing it down until you hear 2 clicks. Like I said, I've pre-cut the pipe. Two clicks, over. That's the incoming water line. Very simple, but we do recommend a licensed plumber do all these installations when you are dealing with the main water line going into your house. Once again, I pre-cut the pipe. As you can see, it is now installed. This will be the incoming line from the street. This line will be the line that goes back out into the building that you're installing this tank on. I'm now going to go out and turn on the main water. Before you turn on the main water, we recommend open the black nozzle. That's the incoming water. Make sure that the red nozzle is in the closed position. I'm going to slowly fill this tank up with water. We recommend 3 to 5 minutes of slow fill with the water. This will have the water be able to go through the whole system and then come up and move all the air up and out of the system. Right now I have the red nozzle closed and we're slowly filling up the tank with water. This is about a 3 to 5 minute process, and once again, a licensed plumber will know how to do this feature. It's very important to slowly fill this tank. We want to make sure that all the air escapes out of this tank. The new valver head comes with the backwash feature. The backwash feature is designed to redirect the water into your tank to reverse the flow of water to go down and fluff up all the carbon and KDF and other materials we have in there that purifies your water. What this does is it reverses the flow that goes through the center tube out, and it pushes whatever sediment might be in the tank, it will push it up and it'll push it out of this valve here. This valve here, today we've chosen to use the hose bib. This also comes with a 5/8 hose bib that a hose slides onto. We recommend using a garden hose when you're backwashing your system. It allows more water to come out. I've taken my spare hose and I'm now fastening it on here. To go ahead and backwash this tank. Upon installation by a licensed professional plumber, this tank will need to be backwashed. The backwash process removes any particles that might be there during shipping. You do this prior to sending the water flow into your home. I've now taken this top and moved it from filtration. You can hear the air coming out of the tank, and we're going to move it to backwash. Okay, as you see, the water coming out of the tank right now is all black. After about 2 to 3 minutes of this, you will see the water change from black to gray to clear. This is the backwash process. This must be done on the initial installation of the tank. As you can see, the water is starting to turn gray now. And it's slowly clearing up. This has removed all the dust particles from inside the tank. Of course, if you purchase the SS750 whole house water filtration, this process will take a little bit longer due to the size of the tank. As you can see now, the water is very clear. Now we've washed all the particles out of the tank. Now I'm going to take the backwash head and move it from the backwash position to the rinse position. What the rinse position does is it now turns the water flow the way it's going to be going into your home. Any particles that might have been caught up the center tube on the reverse cycle of this will now be washed out. Do you see how quick? A little bit of sediment was left in the main tube. It is now washed out. And this is actually the way the water is going to be going into your home or business. This is now run through the Caraco Ultratech whole house water purification system, and it's ready to drink. After you've completely gotten this water clear from going from backwash to rapid rinse, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it to filtration. As you see, on filtration, the water stops coming out of the backwash release valve. Now this water is flowing into your house. You'll take the red lever now and turn it to the open position, and you will have beautiful clean water running back into your home.
If you have any questions or comments concerning this or any other Caraco product, please call your local distributor or contact our customer service department at 1-800-440-1434 or look us up on the web at www.caraco.com.